Of course, we're hoping that one day there are hundreds and thousands of games actually running on Traylight FE Games platform. And now just imagine those games are being played by millions of players. What is then a really important thing, the real goal, let's say, coming out of this scale and this level of customer engagement? It is the data, right? And therefore, we have a saying at Traylight.
Yeah.
So I'll do the honors, okay? Yeah, please. I love saying this. So our saying at Traylight is the name, but data is our game.
Yeah.
Good one.
Yeah. Yeah,
Pat myself on the shoulder for that. Yeah. So with actually all the 3 SaaS product subscription that we talked about earlier, we provide a super important, let's say, feature or product also to the users from the business environment, which is a data dashboard, where you can see statistics, data, trends, and information from the games and from the players to, again, really give you the points what these are, right? These could include gameplay data. So for example, when and what did the customer do within this game, which event they chose to play, right? If you have events, if you have content that is the US market and they chose that always instead of choosing the crypto, then you know something about these customers, right? And this means actually you know not just about how they play, but you know about their financial preference. When they play, remember we talked about getting better and the skills and the levels. So with those information, you can understand their financial skills, their financial literacy. You can also tell by their choices and the way they play, what is their risk appetite. And furthermore, with the games, you can even learn about what is the social preference of a player. Do they like to play single games, or do they like to play games where they can actually engage with other players, like peer versus peer competitions? Or do they like to team up, right? This gives you a lot of insights, not just about their bank account and spending behavior, but also who they are, right? And game also actually can tell you what are the motivation of the different people. For example, is someone's motivation just to repeat an action and learn information and get better? Or is their motivation more geared towards competition, to join the tournament and be at the top of the leaderboard? Or actually, is there a motivation about joining a team and share tips and help each other, right? Again, these are the kind of data that we'll make available to you through our data dashboard, and we will support you to turn these data into valuable insights. And now just imagine the, let's say, future amount of use cases you can build on top of those insights.
Absolutely, but I think it's also necessary to say all this is following the data protection rules, and
yes,
so that we do not get a kind of negative spin on that.